Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a server error on the application of Flow. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here and you will enter. Then here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you will search about the application of Flow and you will enter. Then here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store.